Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a...
Maurice, the crochet master.
Alright, yes, I do it my way. This is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing wherever you are, and big shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are, wherever each country you are in. Yes, so today we are going to see something that is also very interesting. You know, guys, I just love what we always chat. Yes, when it comes to our comment, and it's where I always try to get something that maybe I can answer you, and then there we can take it that way. So I realized that most of you guys fear to do lockings. You fear to do lockings, and now I've started doing the individual dreadlocks. And yeah, there's a previous video that we did, and people liked it. They liked the way we are doing it, but now it was somehow long, and someone was like, yes, can we also have the short ones? And yet it is also very, very possible. Like most of you, sometimes when you see a hairstyle like it is long, maybe sometimes you feel like it cannot be that short, yet it can. So still, I've just come back to answer your questions with this hairstyle also, but this time around we are not going to lock from down like the we have been doing with these other dreadlocks that we've been doing. So this time around we are starting it this way with the inside knotless, like the way we always do. And I told you, when it comes to the inside knotless, trust me, this is something different. Don't It's not like this method of the knotless braiding, no. But this is you can see the starting is from inside, you understand? So now if you're also doing it, you just try to do it this way. So if you do it like with an like in the knotless style, I don't think it will last longer. Yes, and we're like these, because now we're trying to get we're trying to do a dreadlocks, but from the like individually, not with the dreadlock, not with the locks. You know, there are some people who always love to do dreadlocks, but when they don't see the locking side of it, you understand? So now I've tried to create these so that you guys can also try to love it. Like you can try it out and see how it's going to work, because for me, I don't do something that I've not yet done a research on it, and it's the hair. In fact, it's the hair that I plaited. So there is the way I feel when it comes to this touch also, and I would like you also to experience this, and trust me, you're going to love it. So what we do, we always make these lines like the way we have been doing before. We make them look this neat, and what we do here is to not to over make them very small, because now since it's going to be individual, we always we want to see our boxes, like we want to see our lines, how they look. So and I've been telling you that when it comes to adding the extensions, it's always we add the extension according to the space that we have made here. Like if the spacing is very, very small, and even we also have to use our extensions that are very small. So if it's this big, still we have to add on. So those ones who have been watching all my videos doing dreadlocks, yes, it's I had time, you can also watch this one and see Now, since we have added on the spacing, how are we going to add on the extension and see how it can match with this? Because why I always advise you guys to add on you first look at the hair and see how it is arranged, and then it gives you the extension that you're going to do, not just doing the same extension, like doing the same size all the time. No, at times you're going to find the hair that is very soft and you will need to do it smaller, or even you'll find that the head the someone with the big head, and now if you try to overpack them, still it's going to be a lot on someone's head. And then if it's overpacking is fine, but still if you overpack, you don't need to add on the size that is bigger. You understand? So those are the things that we always have to mind. So here the system is still the same, like we always do the up and like up here, and then we do it down like that, then up. Like this system we have been used, the other method we have been using it, the technique we have been using it. So those ones who have not yet been following the videos, I think you have to skip this because you won't understand. But those ones who have been following all the videos of the extended dreadlocks that we have been doing, we now know how to do this. So that's why even I'm trying to be speedy, because I know most of you guys know how to do it. So if you're done with this, trust me, our hair is protected already. And now if we always I choose this to do it this way, it's because I've been getting also this problem, like these people who always go very far from me, like after plating, and someone would need to unplate herself. You understand? Like when she is there, I don't always say that our dreadlocks cannot be unplated. No, they can be unlocked. You can unlock them, but sometimes it's hard for someone to unlock yourself all this long. You might get tired, so I decided to do it this way so that it is also very easy for you when you're alone and you can unlock it yourself very, very speedy. So this is what I had to create for you guys, and trust me, if you say about unlocking this, it is going to be very easy for you. So what we do, we just have to plait the hair, and then when we divide this, then after we do the back combing, whenever we do the back combing, I always tell you that this back combing help the hair to become like to the kink itself, to create that body that is not going to allow this hair to come out when you have locked it this way. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And even it creates that natural look of the extension itself. Like the extension starts looking nice. So by the time you take by the time it stays like for a month, as if you keep on spraying it, or even those ones who like swimming, washing it all the time, the braid keeps on changing and it starts looking natural. So that's sorry yes, so that's why I decided to do this. And though on the other previous dreadlocks that we've been doing, we haven't been doing this back combing, and it's not like, try to watch very well, it's not like I backcombed the hair. No, I was not backcombing the hair, I was backcombing the extension. We don't tamper with hair. No, we don't tamper with the hair. We let the hair be protective, and then we just temper the extension so that it can also be firm with our hair for all that long, because I know you guys, you'd need to stay with this for all that long. So when we are done with all that, remember our products that we always use when it comes to washing, treatment, and these anti-itchy. This is MLD. This oil is very, very nice. It's from the Rivera products, so you can always use it. And I always advise you guys, every time I advise you to buy the kits, because the kits is it's good for you. If you get the shampoo, the conditioner, the treatment, like these oils are always there, then there you good to go to protect your hair, and the hair can grow healthy. So it's for the Rivera products, and all the links are in the description, so you can go there and click on them. trust me, they will take you through to the Rivera products, and you get them for yourself. Yes, this is what I was trying to tell you, and you can see how it looks. Very, very interesting. I love you guys. May God bless you all.
Morris, the crochet master. Morris, the crochet master.